I've got my picnic basket and I'm ready to go on a picnic. This is part of a collaboration. Hashtag Valentine Picnic 24. Hosted by my pals at Catalina Treats and Justina's Country Kitchen. Well, we're all supposed to bring something to the picnic. Well, I've decided I'm gonna bring a sandwich to the picnic. A sandwich I learned about from my friend Tommy that sounds so good. It's a Spanakopita Sandwich. You won't believe it, it looks amazing. Let's make it! In a skillet, I need to melt a tablespoon of butter. To that, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook it and stir it about 5 minutes. You need about 8 to 10 ounces of frozen spinach. You need to allow it to thaw out. And then I cut it and kind of squeezed out all the water. Add that to the skillet. I cooked it for 5 minutes and removed it from the heat. Add 4 ounces of feta cheese, about a teaspoon of oregano, a shake of nutmeg, shake of black pepper, and a cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to mix that together. This is enough to spread on 4 croissants. And there it is, Spanakopita croissant sandwiches. You just top them and they're ready to go. Yes, I love spinach, and that feta cheese on there, awesome. It's the star of the sandwich. This is gonna be an awesome picnic. To see even more picnic foods, go check out that hashtag. Hashtag Valentine Picnic 24. I woke up this morning and my bedside light turned into a moth. That's the last time I buy a larva lamp.